Thanks, Nick. I'm here with Kendra Smith at the Microsoft Learn booth, and I'm really excited about what she has to offer. But first of all, Kendra, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Kendra Smith. I work on the Azure marketing team, and I'm overseeing the Microsoft Learn booth experience here at Ignite.
That's fantastic. Now, Kendra, please show us around what you've got here.
Absolutely. Let's take a tour. So first, right here, this is a new offering that we announced today. We are offering a free certification exam to all Ignite attendees.
Fantastic. So let's move on and see what else do you have here at the Microsoft Learn booth.
All right.
We're heading towards the swag, did you say?
Yes, this is a very crowded booth, a lot of excitement, a lot of people here who are interested in being here. We are now going to the custom swag booth. So right here, people can actually create their own swag that they get by engaging and learning with Microsoft Learn.
That's fantastic, and I've seen it's very popular. Just before, there was a lot of people milling about here, so interested to learn more about what happens here.
I'm excited to show you. So we are getting here to the Glowforge machines where people are actually printing their own swag that they got from engaging with Microsoft Learn. And right here, this is Navin, who can tell you all about it.
Thank you so much. Hello, Nevin.
Hi.
Tell us more about what we've got here.
Excellent. So what we're doing is we're inviting all Ignite attendees to come on over to the Microsoft Learn booth, learn a little bit more about what we're doing over here, sign up for Learn, do a module potentially, and then when you do that, you can come on over and get one of our custom swag items. So what we're doing is we're laser etching bamboo stickers for people, or these lovely phone stands, where essentially what you would do is make a little custom design or words, and we etch them on with lasers onto this acrylic base, which is kind of fun. So, yeah, come on over.
Fantastic. Thank you, Navin. Appreciate that. Now, Kendra, where to next?
Let's go talk to our friend John Grushek over at the Microsoft 365 station.
What's he got in surprise for us?
He is going to show us everything that you can learn on Microsoft 365 and about Microsoft certifications on Microsoft 365.
Brilliant. Hello, John.
How's it going, Microsoft Ignite?
It's pretty good.
It's awesome. It's Monday. We're rocking and rolling.
What have you got to show us?
We are over here at the Microsoft Learn booth. So we have Azure, Microsoft 365, and Dynamics 365. So all of you that are getting your certifications over there can come talk to us about what content you should be prepping on-demand, bite-sized consumable learning. Went live with a bunch of new learning paths, some special collections that you can combine modules. Tons of excitement, tons of fun over here. So come check us out. Get ready to take those certifications.
That's really important, isn't it? Learning is so important because sometimes we need to know what path we need to take. Isn't that right?
Absolutely, and sometimes it's convoluted, right? There's a lot of things we might want to do as administrators, so that's where these custom collections come in. You can combine security and Teams and Azure all together and send it out to different folks. You can come here and email it to yourself. So whether you're aligned to a certification you know about or you want to just take a bunch of modules together, we've got you covered on MS Learn.
Great, thank you so much, John.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Happy Ignite.
Happy Ignite. Kendra, tell us more. Is there anything else that people need to know here at the Microsoft Learn booth?
Yeah, everyone should come by and sign up for Microsoft Learn. They should also email themselves their collection that they can do right at the front of the booth.
Righto. Now tell us, what else is in store? Is there anything completely new that people need to be mindful about?
There's lots of new content on Microsoft Learn. As John mentioned, there's a lot of new content around Microsoft 365. We also have a new Azure certification called Azure Specialty. So lots of fun new certification announcements as well.
I have a question to ask, just out of my own personal interest. On Microsoft Learn, it is a pathway, so all your certifications, they're held. It's like a portfolio, is it? So
Absolutely. Yeah.
That goes with you anywhere.
Yeah, you can take them anywhere, and when you're here, you can actually create your own portfolio of learning. It's called a collection, which we announced today, and you can email it to yourself.
Righto, what else do we have? I spied that there was a little board out there. What else do we have that we may not have a tour?
There is a very fun wall that we're calling the flip disk wall that's right behind us, and you can do lots of fun stuff there. You can project your images onto the flip disk wall, and that's at the back of our space here.
Fantastic. And I also see that there are different immersive learning experiences like the hands-on labs that are over there.
We have that as well. We're also doing interactive trivia every day during the happy hour, so come and stop on by.
Fantastic. So let's continue on the tour and show a bit of what is on at the Microsoft Learn booth.
Absolutely.
You've got a lot of people here, a lot of people all hands-on, interacting with different content here. Has it been so far? What's the vibe been so far?
There has been a lot of excitement. We've got a lot of people wearing the brand new Microsoft Learn hats that we gave away during the keynote this morning, and there's a lot of people who are excited about the free certification offer. That's really exciting. It's a big value, and so we're really glad that we can offer it to Ignite attendees.
Oh, look, it certainly sounds as if you've got a lot on offer here, and learning's so important because even Satya said this morning that, you know, it's all about knowledge workers, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And we have to be continually learning.
Yes, it's always important to invest in yourself and continue learning, and you can do that really well with Microsoft Learn.
Oh, fantastic. Okay then, so let's find out more what is happening over at the live stage.